Let's add some creepy red color. Now everything is really dangerous because red is dangerous. You know, in Russian we say "krasny опасный" means red dangerous. But what if you combine red with green? How do you like it? Do you like it this way more? Just follow me to your left and to your right. To your right ear, follow the light and me. And then right there, you follow me, right? Do you follow me? Okay, let's follow here. Again to the right ear. And now your left ear. You keep following right. Okay, good. But you know the best thing about lights? I'm just gonna, connect them together. Red and green. And that's gonna be just normal color. Okay. Are you following me? Are you following me? To the right side. It goes to your right ear. And then it goes to your left ear. Do you like it? Do you like close whispers? My cat. It's creepy, so dark. Okay, let's go to this ear. And you again follow me, right? Do you follow me? You have to follow me. Okay, follow the light. Best thing about colors. Let's change this to blue. It's blue now. Okay, blue is relaxing. What do you think? I think it's really relaxing color. Blue is kind of relaxing. Let's follow blue a little bit to your left ear. Follow me to your left ear. Then to your right ear. Connect them. Like if you connect red, green and blue together. Just, hold on a second. If you connect them together, then it's gonna be just a normal light. You see? Just like a white light. But they are they're separated right now. So you can actually see how the light wave is changing. You see? It's like changing from all the spectrum of light. It's interesting, right? So it goes from blue to yellow, red. I mean, blue, green, red. Goes like this. If I put blue closer to the green one, like that. It's gonna be different effect, a little bit. Right, what do you think? And if I put blue close to red, it's gonna be again effect. More like purple. Because green is not like really powerful color. And red is too. But if like you look at from the distance, it's gonna be okay. We improvised today with lights and well, cats, if you like it, I'm just gonna turn on the lights again. If you like this video,